Hi everyone, we are here in Spa for the race start of the 2023 race for the 6 hours of Spa. And as you can see, I basically started last. We had an issue in qualifying with a small off from Brennan, and unfortunately, we had to start last. As you can see as well, it's a little bit raining. We can see that the track is drying up, but basically, we decided to start on slick tires while a lot of people were starting on wets, and I'm basically making myself through the field. So it's not that easy, especially in those corners, because you discover the track, you don't know how much rain there is still. But obviously, starting on the dry tires was the right decision to make. Here, as you can see, I'm reaching turn 5, and there is a lot of things happening in the front. We have a few cars spinning out. So just trying to basically avoid making mistakes, keeping the car as much as possible on the dry line, trying to generate temperature in the tires. So I'm basically sliding quite a bit and trying to be aggressive. Uh, Passed already quite a few people, but again, still discovering the track. Here we have new asphalt since last year, and that type of asphalt takes longer to dry up. So clearly here I'm a little bit slow because I'm just trying to make sure I don't touch the white lines on each side. Here we can basically start to see a little bit that it's drier, but again, very difficult to generate the temperature in the tires. And at the same time, you need to make sure you don't touch the curbs because you risk of losing the car. Here it's difficult to pass because obviously the inside is still wet. Obviously that Porsche made a small mistake. So then again, I continue the lap. I've basically cleared most of the GTs now, and I'm starting to catch the LMP2s. So never ideal, obviously, to start the race like that because you lose a lot of time on the leaders. They obviously started at the front and had a clean first lap. But still, it was a strong race from us. We finished P2, starting from last, so it was good points for the championship. Here we are reaching the end of the lap. Blanchimont turned 17, and here now the last chicane. So again, a little bit shy to try to pass that Corvette on the braking because the inside is wet. But again, as we said, that was the right decision because after 2-3 laps, the track was fully dry and we were obviously catching. So yes, this is the first lap of last year race, and hopefully this year we'll start a little bit further up.